Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another hidden gem, Reserve Rights. Reserve Rights is a flexible pool of stablecoin designed to reduce risk through diversification and decentralized governance. This is a hidden gem. It's so undervalued, and I really believe this is something that you definitely need to consider adding to your portfolio. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more hidden gems. Also things to help grow your bank account and help grow your brand. We do tips and strategies as well. Now this here, Reserve Rights, I am a holder. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a person here that like to share things to you. And I am a Reserve Rights holder. I got in when it was around 2 cents, and now it's 4 cents. It's up by 4% today, and it has so much room to grow here. Now you're probably thinking, like, why are you so excited about this? What makes Reserve Rights so special? Well, I think it's a little bit different from some of the other things that I've held before. I like having a balanced portfolio, and one of the things here, I'm going to play a little bit of this video here. Maybe this can help you at least start considering this.
Money has a pretty bad reputation, but people often lose track of what it allows us to do. The point of money, at the most basic level, is to help us track who has done favors for other people.
I'm going to pause it right there. Right there is a co-founder of Reserve, Nevin Freeman, and introduced Reserve, a stable digital currency for country with high inflations. So you see this a lot: protect your money, send money across borders, and easily accept payments. So Reserve Rights keep things extremely simple. Now it is compared to some of the other ones out there that I have, but this one here is so undervalued. It's just so undervalued. I'm going to be honest with you. It's undervalued with the price and with the problem they're trying to solve. I'm just going to be honest with you. The reason why I like it, undervalued, and the problems they're trying to solve, and the fact that they have a fantastic team. I looked on this team already, and I was really amazed. And you look at the investors, view all the Coinbase Ventures, you see all these investors here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at all these investors here. So you got to really be excited about it, because it's really what people back up and people stand for. They're not going to write their name on anything like this. And so then I went into their Twitter page, and I noticed their followings is starting to grow a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and follow their page as well, because I want to be up to date for more information. That Nevin Freeman, which is the co-founder, and I'm going to follow him. I'm going to also follow Reserve as well. Reserve is a pool of stablecoin designed to reduce risk. We want to reduce the risk through diversification and decentralized governance. And Nevin, he talks about a little bit more about private money in this video right here. Let me see. Does he says anything too much? Let me see.
Approached Coinbase back at the beginning and said, we really don't like this Bitcoin thing, so we'd like you to turn it off. And they had to explain to the regulators that they hadn't created Bitcoin, and actually the way it was structured, they couldn't turn it off.
Okay, so here he's talking about the private money sector and the cryptocurrency that's around Reserve Rights, and he goes more and more in depth into it. You can go right to their Twitter page and watch the rest of this video as well. But one thing I do like about it is that they're trying to solve a problem in terms of just keeping things not only safe, but they want to reduce the risk through diversification. So that got my attention a little bit. And then I went back to the price. I'm seeing here 4 cents. This is 4 cents, or this could easily be like a 50-cent coin right now. Easily. I'm telling you, I just feel like I really feel really good about this. Easily a 50-cent coin. And if you see here, the price movement, if I go, what high has it been? Let me see what the all-time high has it been. The all-time high has only been the all-time high has only been what's that, 11 cents? Oh my goodness, it's 4 cents right now. So much room to grow here. You can actually get Reserve Rights through several places. Binance, of course. Crypto.com now has this now. Crypto.com does have this. So Uniswap, I got it when it was on Uniswap, Binance, Crypto.com, just to name a few that you can get it on. Of course, all these other ones here So reserve rights, as they continue, producing results and letting people know what they're trying to do, then you're going to see more price movement. I really believe in this bull run. This is at least, I feel like at least 50 cents. I'm being conservative. But I do feel like $1 is coming with this one as well. I do. I think so, because once it goes on Coinbase, what I feel like it will in the future, I think people is going to really start knowing more and more about this. So the Twitter page, they need to continue just putting more information on their Twitter, letting people know what's going on with the updates. That's what I feel like they need to do. They do have a nice website that really kind of explains what they does. Reserve is just an app for buying, holding, and spending digital US dollar. So they try to keep it very simple to everyday users. Just a mission statement here, and you see where the actual development here that they go around. I believe that's Binance. Woo-wee. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this. This is one of the projects that I really like, that I have in my portfolio. I do have a decent bag of reserve rights. As we continue, I'm probably going to add more. I just wanted to show you what I'm actually doing and the functionality that I see in terms of them keeping things simple and keeping things transparent and keeping things good for the people. Because this quote right here, I like. It's just an app for buying, holding, and spending digital US dollars to everyday users. And that's probably what a lot of people just want to do. Nothing really necessarily, confusing. Just keep it simple, keep it to the point. This is what I'm trying to use this for. Reserve is a flexible pool of stablecoins designed to reduce risk through diversification and decentralized governance. Boom. And then everyday users, hey, it's just an app for buying. I want to buy, hold, and spend digital US dollars. So they having something that basically people are going to want to know. And protect your money, that's something we're going to want to know as well. Reserve enable people and businesses and countries to do that. Send money across borders. I know there's other actually projects there that involved in the cross-border payments like XRP and XLM. But reserve rights is also in that pool as well. And easily accept payments. Reserve also allows business to accept payments in a stable digital currency. See, so basically easy to accept. So people are going to want this, they're going to want this, and they're going to want this. Safety, sending the money, and easily to be accepted. So definitely going to want that as well. Here's the two token powers, the reserve protocol. You have reserve, which is a stable cryptocurrency, and then reserve rights is a fluctuating protocol token that plays a role in stabilizing RSV, which is the reserve. So basically, both of these things is something you definitely want to look at and really do your research as well. My name is Adam Shelton. I love this team. This team is very talented. I usually go on a LinkedIn profile to really kind of see more in depth into it. But I did look at him, and I read about the fact that he's an entrepreneur and he has founded 3 companies. That got my attention as well. The price here is about 4 cents. I do think in the future this is $1. This is $1. Reserve rights, in my prediction, my price prediction for reserve rights is $1. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this. I'm so excited. I got another video coming up. Probably either later today or tomorrow. We're gonna have another update on something I really feel like you're gonna like, and I'll see you on the next video. This is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. I'll see you later.